Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach you what is digital voltmeter. This is the topic which comes under the course Basic Instrumentation Skills. I am R. Revati from Department of Physics. In this video, we are going to learn about what is digital instrument, digital voltmeter, characteristics of digital voltmeter, applications, advantages and disadvantages of digital voltmeter. What is digital instrument? The instrument which represents the measurement value in the form of digital number is known as digital instruments. This works on the principle of quantization. The quantization is the process of converting the continuous input signal into a countable output signal. The construction of this digital instrument is very complex and their cost is also very high. The digital instruments consume very less power as compared to analog instruments. Digital multimeter, digital voltmeter, digital frequency meter, etc. are examples of these digital instruments. So now, important characteristic of digital instruments. The digital devices have following important features. The accuracy of the digital electronic instrument is very much high, and also it consists of sensitive elements which are easily reacted with the surrounding temperature and humidity. The input impedance of the digital instrument is very high, because of which it can draw very less power. The digital instrument is less portable. The cost of the instrument is high. The instrument is free from parallax error. The advantages of digital instruments are it displays the reading in the numeric form, which reduces the error. The digital output is obtained by the instrument, which acts as an input for the memorable devices like floppy, recorder, printer, etc. The power consumption is less in digital instruments. The disadvantages of digital instruments. The overloading capacity of the instrument is low. It is a temperature sensitive device and it is made by a very delicate element which is easily affected by the atmospheric condition. The effect of noise is more on digital instruments when compared to analog instruments. In spite of the above mentioned disadvantages, the digital instrument is very commonly used for the measurement purposes. Now we will move on with our topic digital voltmeter. This is also called as DVM. This displays measurements of DC or AC voltage as discrete numerals instead of pointer deflections on a continuous scale as in analog instruments. These are some of the pictures of analog as well as digital voltmeter. Various digital voltmeters features such as speed, automation operation and programmability are here. There are several varieties of DVM which differ in such a ways like number of digits, number of measurements, accuracy, speed of reading, digital output of several types. The characteristic features of DVM. The first characteristic is frequency range. This is from plus or minus 1 volt to plus or minus 1000 volt with automatic range selection and overload indication. The second characteristic is absolute accuracy. Absolute accuracy is high as plus or minus 0.005% of the reading. The third one is resolution. 1 part in million, that is 1 microvolt reading can be measured as 1 volt range. The fourth one is about stability. The short-term 0.002% of the reading for a 24-hour period and long term 0.008% of the reading for 6 months period is its stability. Input resistance is typically 10 megaohms and input capacitance is 40 picofarad. The next thing is calibration. Internally, from stabilized reference sources independent of measuring circuit, we can calibrate these instruments. The next thing is output signal. In BCD, that is binary coded decimal form, for print output and further digital processing is considered as one of the characteristic feature. Optional feature may also include additional circuitry to measure current, ohms and voltage ratio. When we pass on with the applications of digital voltmeter, the digital voltmeter is used to know the actual voltage of different components. Secondly, it is widely used to check if there is power in the circuit, as well as main outlet can also be checked using these digital voltmeters. Knowing the voltage across a circuit, current can also be calculated through this. It is a versatile and accurate instrument that is employed in many laboratory measurement applications. While we are speaking about the advantages of digital voltmeter, the first advantage is digital display of the output eliminates human reading errors. The second one is readings are accurate and fast when compared to analog meters. The digital voltmeters is more stable and reliable also, smaller in size and also cost effective. DVM can also measure both AC and as well as DC voltages. Along with these advantages, the latest DVM are built with microcontrollers, and using this we can able to store the readings for further processing also. DVM is void of parallax errors and it have automatic range selection and also have high input impedance. So these are some of the advantages of digital voltmeter. This is the picture of digital voltmeter which is using 8051 microcontroller. While we are having this much of advantages, it is also having few disadvantages. What are they? We are going to see in this slide. Digital voltmeters are prone to damage if the voltage is increased beyond the limit. So we have to be careful while fixing out the voltage levels. The display depends on the external power source or battery. And while measuring the voltage, there are chances of digital voltmeter getting heated up, so that might also cause the output as a wrong reading. So these are all the points of disadvantage of digital voltmeter. Along with those points, we are having few more. That is, when a fluctuation occurs in a circuit, the digital voltmeter cannot read and display an error. Speed of the operation is also limited due to the digitalization circuit in digital voltmeters. It is very hard to spot the transient voltage spikes, and the AD converter has a limitation on word length which causes quantization noise, giving rise to errors in measured values. So keeping in mind, we have to make use of this digital voltmeter in a right way. In this video, today we learnt about digital instrument, digital voltmeter, the characteristics of digital voltmeter, applications where it can be applied, and advantages and disadvantages of digital voltmeter. I hope you all understood the topic digital voltmeter. Thank you all.